Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the background of an image. There are many professional softwares like Adobe Photoshop and other software through which you can remove the background of your image. But these software requires some technical know-how. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove the background of your picture without any software. So we are going to use an online tool. So this is our image. As you can see, a wireless mouse on the desk. So we are going to remove the background from this mouse. Now in order to remove the background of this picture, you have to click on the link given in video description. It's totally free. You don't have to download any software. It's a free online tool. Now once you open that tool, you have to click on upload image. Now you have to select the path where your image is located and you have to choose your image and then click open. It's now uploading the image. It might take some time depending upon the size of the image. The image is now uploaded. As you can see, it has automatically removed the background from this picture. Now as you can see, the mouse has no background in it. So this tool has automatically removed the background of this picture. Now there are two options. You can also edit this picture. Like if you click on edit, you can add some pre-made backgrounds. Like if you choose this background, or you can choose this background, or you can choose the color. Like if you don't want to add any background, you have to click on download. Now as you can see, the download is complete. You have to click on it. Now you can see this is the original image. Now when you remove the background, this is the new image. So in this way you can remove the background of any picture using this online tool. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and do subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you.